Hello friends and welcome back to another video. I tried oddly satisfy acrylic pour art aka fluid art. Basically we have to take different color and add into a cup. Pour it on the canvas in the swirl motion. Then kind of tilt the canvas in a different direction to achieve the marble kind of abstract. YouTube में लोग different kind of things से experiment कर रहे हैं like chain, train up basket, egg tray, spatula, mass skimmer, so on. Different kind of method like puddle of each color, dirty pour technique, flip through the cup. I'm gonna try a basic clean acrylic pour or doing a swirl motion of cup. Now let's buy some supplies for this project.
And years later.
अब आप कलर फैब्रिक कलर जो है वो ले लो, उसको मिला के आप कलर करो, ये फ्लूट बन जाएगा। ये बना ठीक है ना बेटा, देख लें।
हाँ, ये फिर कैनवास दे ना, कोई काम करनी है जो मेरा, ये बस के लिए ये ले बड़े ले रही हूँ कैनवास।
नहीं ठीक है ना।
मैंने लिया है एक्रेलिक पेंट्स, पोरिंग मीडियम, कैनवासेस, पैलेट नाइफ और आइसक्रीम स्टिक। इसके लिए डिस्पोजल कप्स भी चाहिए है। प्रिपेयरिंग द सरफेस फॉर द पोरिंग। स्टेप 1, prepare the white paint mixture. Second step, prepare all the colorful paints. Step 3, stir each the cup. Step 4, stir each the cup again. Step 5, pour all the colors into the cup. Step 6, pour the main cup onto the canvas. For the first attempt इसमें मुझे रेनबो थीम लेनी थी। एक चीज़ तो है कि पानी ज़्यादा डालना नहीं है, अदरवाइज सारे कलर्स मिक्स हो जाएंगे एक साथ और तो एंड रिज़ल्ट बहुत ही मडी और गंदा सा बन के आएगा। जब कलर पोर करते हैं कप में तो हर कलर के बाद वाइट कलर ज़रूर ऐड करना, बहुत अच्छा एक मार्बल इफेक्ट मिलता है।
Don't stay looking out the window. And how late do you plan on going? Nowhere. Afraid of all the things you don't know. There's so many reasons you should care. Don't stay looking out the window. And how late do you plan on going? Nowhere. Afraid of all the things you don't know. There's so many reasons you should.
वाइट कलर साइड में ऐड करेंगे ताकि अच्छे से फ्लो हो।
The sun is setting down soon. You'll never see the stars when you're all in your head. You can find beauty in the night too, but it's harder to see when you're stuck in a dream. Slow, but you keep on going. I know that you're in the open.
कैनवस के एजेस में थोड़ा सा हाथ लगा रही हूँ ताकि पूरा पेंट कैनवस में लग जाए।
And how late do you plan on going? Nowhere. Afraid of all the things you don't know. There's so many reasons you should care. Don't stay looking out the window. And how late do you plan on going? Nowhere. Afraid of all the things you don't know. There's so many
try it for the second attempt. इसमें मैंने ब्लू कलर की थीम ली है, ब्यूटीफुल सी वेव्स बन के आए।
It's kinda crazy, the kinds of things life throws at you. I never knew I'd feel so safe in your arms. Now you're all I need. It wasn't long before I knew that I fell for you and you had my heart. As fast as the seasons changed, my heart was stolen. Parts of me that were broken found love, and no amount of distance.
सारे कलर्स मिक्स होने के बाद कप में ऐड करूँगी।
'Cause I know this is real. I'm so happy that you're mine. Nothing in this world can make me feel the way that you do. Feels like I'm dancing on moonlight. Of all the stars at night, none of them can shine as bright as you do. They can't compare to your light. Thousands of miles between, still couldn't stop us. Just the thought of your love was enough. It's hard to imagine life without you in it. Even if at a distance, I'm still happier.
लास्ट अटेम्प्ट से मैंने ये सीखा है कि प्लीज़ वेयर एप्रन।
When you feel you're missing me, let this be a little lullaby. Help you fall asleep
ग्लव्स
tonight. When I see you smile, I'm unafraid to grow up. 'Cause with you, the
और वाइट पेंट भी पहले अप्लाई करेंगे फॉर द बेटर फ्लो।
just stay here by my side.
Now here we go. I like that drip.
It's kinda crazy, the kinds of things life throws at you.
वैसे कलर तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा वाइब्रेंट लग रहे हैं।
Safe in your arms. Now you're all I need. It wasn't long before I knew that I fell for you and you had my heart. As fast as the seasons changed, my heart was stolen. Parts of me that were broken.
वैसे वेव जैसे तो कुछ नहीं बना, अर्थ को अपन देखते हैं ना दूर से, तो वैसा कुछ बना है।
Distance can change how I'm feeling. 'Cause I know this is real. I'm so happy.
वेट अ मिनट, ये यहाँ क्या कर रहा है? बाहर आओ सॉफ्टा को। I think peeling off plastic layer of canvas are always satisfying.
Buy you drugs, like you so much same things, but I still hit her up in my daydreams. When I stop listening to my conscience, get lost in this nonsense.
सनसेट या वार्म कलर चूज़ किए हैं थर्ड अटेम्प्ट के लिए मैंने.
Like it's a dear life and I should probably run away. Said fuck my friends' advice, just come through tonight. I'll ruin my life with you, baby. But Casey, I don't wanna buy you drugs. Like you so much better when you're not fucked up. Oh, you're just a little too much like that. Whoa.
Side look of cuff, gloves, and ready to begin.
I don't tend to give no trust like that. She took away all of my youth.
Let's watch one more time.
20 going on 42 now. I hesitate in
थोड़ा एक्सपेरिमेंट करते हैं, थोड़ा सा कलर वाइट कलर ऐड करते हैं.
I can't seem to shake this, cause she hangs on way too tight. Like it's a dear life and I should probably run away. Said fuck my friends' advice, just come through tonight. I'll ruin my life with you, baby. But Casey, I don't wanna buy you drugs. Like you so much better when you're not fucked up. Oh, you're just a little too much like that. Whoa. Casey, I don't wanna fall in love.
फोर्थ अटेम्प्ट. मेरे पास कैनवस बोर्ड नहीं है बट कैनवस पैड है, वो यूज़ करते हैं. फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में मैंने एकदम परफेक्ट रेनबो नहीं मिला था, इसलिए मैंने सोचा एक बार फिर ट्राई करते हैं. शायद इस बार मेरा रेनबो खिल जाए और कलर्स वही रहेंगे. तो स्टार्ट करते हैं.
I don't do drugs like that. Casey, I don't wanna buy you drugs. Like you so much better when you're not fucked up. Oh, you're just a little too much like that. Whoa. Casey, I don't wanna fall in love. Thought I had the time, but it's just not enough. Oh, I don't tend to give no trust like that. Oh. I stay adamant with the same things, but I still hit her up in my daydreams. When I stop listening to my conscience, get lost in this nonsense again and again. She hangs on way too tight, like it's a dear life and I should probably run away. Said fuck my friends' advice, just come through tonight. I'll ruin my life with you, baby. But Casey, I don't wanna buy you drugs. Like you so much better when you're not fucked up. Oh, you're just a little too.
रिज़ल्ट वैसा नहीं आया जैसा मुझे चाहिए था, बट मुझे इसे देख के पीकॉक फेदर काइंड ऑफ वाइब आ रही है.
Thought I had the time, but it's just not enough. Oh, I don't tend to give no trust like that. Oh. She took away all of my youth now. 20 going on 42 now.
एंड आई पुट ऑल द पेंटिंग्स इन द सेपरेट रूम ताकि मेरी बिल्ली दूसरा एब्स्ट्रैक्ट ना बना दे. माई फाइनल थॉट्स अबाउट एक्रेलिक पोर आर्ट. Pros: fun to create, it gives beautiful marble kind of abstract, save time and quick to create. Cons: it's very messy, cannot change the end result. Thank you so much for watching friends. और मेरा ये वाला वीडियो देखो 35 ways to fill your sketchbook. If you like my video, make sure to hit the subscribe button. यहाँ पे मिल जाएगी. अगर वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो लाइक कर देना, नहीं अच्छा लगा तो डिसलाइक कर देना. और मैं मिलती हूँ अपने नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, वो भी बहुत जल्दी. थैंक्स टू माई फ्रेंड हर्षिता, क्योंकि हर्षिता ने ही एक्रेलिक पोर आर्ट का आइडिया दिया था.
It's kinda crazy, the kinds of things